Hello, hello everyone. Today I will talk about Git and GitHub, two simple but powerful tools that help developers manage their code and work together. If you are new to programming or just starting with version control, this presentation is for you. Okay, let's start. What is Git? Git is like time machine for your code. It tracks every change you make so you can always go back if something goes wrong. It gives you the freedom to experiment without fear or breaking things. It is very helpful when working alone or in big team. What is GitHub? GitHub is an online platform where you can store your Git repositories. Think of it like Google Drive, but only for your code. It also allows you to collaborate with others by sharing your project and working on it together. Most open source projects are hosted on GitHub, and it's important information for you. Why use Git and GitHub? Why we use Git and GitHub? First of all, these tools help you keep your code more organized and more safe. When we working in teams, when everyone can see what was changed, when, and by whom. You can back up your projects so you won't lose them even if your computer breaks. Okay, basic Git workflow. A typical Git workflow starts with creating a repository in Git. Then you make changes to your code, adding or something removing from the project. After that, you add and commit the changes to save them. Finally, you push the changes to GitHub so they're available online. This process is simple and becomes a habit over time. Okay, the next slide is creating a repository. How to create a repository? To create a new project on GitHub, you need to log in and click the new button. Give your project name, for example, my first project on and click create. GitHub will generate the URL or the repo that you can use to start working on it locally. Okay, the next one, cloning and committing. Cloning means download the repository from GitHub to your computer. You use git clone and paste the repo link. After making some changes, use git add to stage everything and git commit with message to save the changes with a comment. It's important thing. Okay, next, push, pull, and pull request. Once you've committed your changes, you can push them to GitHub. This sends your work online. If other people have worked on the project, use git pull to get their updates. It's really important. It's think you can do it every day when you log in your computer. Okay, when working in teams, pull requests are used to suggest changes and ask someone to review and merge your work. Okay. The next one important theme. This is working in a team. Okay. Why it's important? Because Teams usually create branches for different features. This allows multiply people to work without conflicts. Pull requests are used to check each other work before adding into the main project. And good communication helps prevent a lot of big mistakes. Okay, and to summarize all this information, what I can say. I may say Git and GitHub help you manage your code, collaborate with others, and keep your works more safe. Yeah, learning them is a big step to in becoming a professional developer. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.